And what's the name of this market?
Well done.
The name of the market?
TOR KOR food market.
Okay.
TOR KOR means organization of market for farmers.
For the farmers. See some nuts. So it's a food market, but they sell other things besides food.
Yes. So foods are inside.
Noodles. Food court.
It's a northern food. Look like it's a chili paste. Look spicy but not spicy because northern people do not much spicy. This is a pork skin. Coconut sugar. Mackerel. Very big. Chili paste.
Oh, this is all chili paste.
Yeah.
Okay.
สวัสดีค่ะรับอะไรคะทุกคนได้นะคะผู้แชร์ไหมคะผู้แชร์ค่ะอะไรไม่เจอ
Durian.
Yes, Durian.
Excuse me, sir. Can you write a message for student, please?
Nothing. What do you want me to do? What are those?
Mango.
Oh, those are mango.
Yeah,
Oh.
it's developed in China.
Oh.
Developed in China. Her pronunciation is better than me. She deserves to be tour guide. A new harvest station.
Okay.
Yeah, like a plum, right? Similar. But better taste. It's a sour and sweet. Good quality.
What is this?
Dry fish. Really popular. Even we learned that it's a cholesterol, it's a pork skin,
A
right?
pork skin. Okay.
But you cannot stop.
Oh, I see.
We know that it's dangerous, but
Yeah, you do it anyway. It's addicting.
pineapple, so small, but tastes really good.
They're mini pineapple.
Yeah, it's northern Thailand species. 1 kilogram with 10 gram, right? 1 kilogram, 12,000, 10,000. Yeah, very expensive. Use scrutiny water for cook.